La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, la belle époque. Pour me champagne, love me insane. Flowers and chocolate in a color that matches my bonnet. Oh no, it's not a test, only the best. Belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque.
Open, open, open. I got this package by UPS from Country Craft Creations Thursday, but I haven't had a chance to open it. Today I'm going to open and share with you. This is not a design team package. This is a supply haul share. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. I already loosened it up on the end some so it'd be easier. So I'm going to pull it out and remove the box. Ooh, there it is. Very, very pretty. Lots of pinks. I see. I did some Valentine shopping for some supplies. So let me remove my invoice. We don't need that. We don't want to know, right? And I'll remove everything from the plastic so it's easier to see. Got some beautiful Valentine shaker bits here to share with you. I got a die. I got basics in the magnets. Sprinklets. Some pretty flowers just because. I probably have these, but I don't care. Okay. And some big heavy stuff here. Okay. So let's do a really quick rundown of the basics. This is the 8.5 by 11 black artisan cardstock. If you didn't know that, it does come in that size. So I thought this would be handy to not have to cut into bigger sizes for smaller albums. So I got 2 packs of that. I'm not going to take that out, of course. I went to the sale. There is a good sale going on right now at Country Craft Creations, especially for some older collections like Echo Park, Cartabella. Christmas stuff is on sale. So I wanted some solids for some projects I'm going to do. So I picked out these All About a Girl in the purple and the blue because I just thought they were really pretty colors, that they would come in handy with some projects that I've got planned on. So I have that. Then I needed chipboard, and that's why this was so heavy. So I got the heavyweight and the lightweight chipboard. Got to have those for my album bases. And then I got a pack of red artisan cardstock because Valentine's is coming up, which leads to all this. And of course I got 2 packs of the large basic gray magnets because I use magnets all the time. And let's look at these pretties. These are the 49 in Market Royal Spray Passion Pink Flowers. Isn't that pretty? Very Valentine color. I got these couple of sprinklets. This is the Hugs and Kisses. It's the little X's and O's. Can you see those? And I got the little Valentine flowers in the pink and the red. Let's see if I can get that up there where you can see. Then I got this. These are so cute. These are the tiny buttons in the heart shapes. Some are glittery. Very cute. This one is super fabulous. Sparklets in the Hugs and Kisses. You got the larger hearts, the glittery things. I love that. That's so pretty. And then this one, got some bigger things in here, is called Valentine's Day. So if you're wanting to do some shakers for Valentine's, go check out countrycraftcreations.com. And because I'm working with some papers, an album right now with the Magic Kingdom vibe. These have the little Mickeys. Can you see those? And this is called Magical. So I got those. May do something with that on my cover. And then I wanted this on sale because it goes with that paper and maybe some projects. I'm going to be doing the Echo Parks enamel dots in the baby girl. And then I got the Happy Birthday designer die because I like to use dies on my new machines. So I got that. So that's it, guys. That's my haul. Hope this isn't too dark. I'm recording it on something a little bit different just to try something out. Just because, and I wanted to share this with you real quick. So that's my shopping haul for some basic supplies and a few fun things. You got to throw some fun things in there even when you're getting some basics. So remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you are a subscriber, I appreciate you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you haven't, click the bell when you subscribe, because that will tell you when I have a video uploaded and you'll be some of the first to see it. Also give me a thumbs up to help promote my channel and my videos. And as always, check out countrycraftcreations.com for your crafting supplies. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.